Hey guys, I'm gonna be teaching you how to solve this. I know y'all say it's a 3x3, but it's a dollar store 3x3 also, and it has one extra step. These centers can be oriented in different ways, so yeah. I'm just gonna teach you, so let's get started. Just gonna mix it up. So just mix it. I'll get back on when it's mixed. Alright, so the first step is getting the yellow cross. Usually on a 3x3 it'd be a white cross, but on this it's a yellow cross. Your cube might have different shapes than mine. If it's a star cube, it may not matter. You could probably just go ahead and click off the video. But if you don't know how to solve a 3x3, just stay on the video and watch this with your dollar store cube. This will probably be helpful. But also, if you have a picture cube, like a smiley face cube or a heart cube like I have, just also stay on the video. Making the yellow cross, but you also want this center to line up. So you look for a cross piece. In this case, I found that dark blue and yellow, or purple or whatever. And you move it. But you can see the center's not aligned, so you bring that down, line it, and bring it back up. And then, as you can see, it's a... Then, if you know how to solve a 3x3, you could just do it like you do. Insert cross pieces. And if you don't know how to solve a 3x3, go watch the 4th video of this channel. It's a tutorial. So now, got the yellow cross. Usually it'd be white, like I said, but there's no white on this, it's pink. And I guess you don't solve pink first. So, the next step, like on a 3x3, is getting these corners in. You could probably do this on your own if you know how to solve a 3x3. If you don't, I'm just going to show y'all. So, you just look for a corner. And like I said, on a normal 3x3, you'd be solving white first. But this doesn't have white. So to insert the corners, do this. And hold on. Get a case where that's on top, you just do this. So wrong spot. But if you get a case where yellow's just right here, you move out there, bring it up, and like that. But if it's like this, you just do this. So, yeah, now the first layer's done. Now, like I said, you want to make sure these centers are also lined. So that center's lined. That center needs to be rotated 180 degrees. So you do this. algorithm. Now you can see the center of the street. So you look for some more. As you can see, that red one's not aligned. So you just do the same algorithm you just learned. This. It's kind of like a song, except you don't do YouTube. You just keep on repeating this. And now all these centers are aligned. So the next step is solving the second layer. You'll already know how to do this if you know how to solve a 3x3, but if you don't know how to solve a 3x3, I'll just show you. So you see this edge, and you try to look for edges without pink. On a normal 3x3, it'd be edges without yellow. Or if color scheme is weird like this, it'd be looking for edges without orange. So, yeah, that's a weird color scheme, mini 3x3. So, if it goes this way instead of this way, you do this algorithm. This cube will turn. But if it goes this way, so this way, you do that algorithm again, except on the right side. That's in. So if it's already in the second layer, but it's flipped, you just do this. The same algorithm, except you're just taking it out. Then you do that same algorithm. It's hard at the beginning, but you'll get it. So now the second layer is solved. Next step is the last layer. Again, you'll already know how to do this if you know how to solve 3x3, but if you don't know how to solve a 3x3, I'll just show you. Like I said. Now, it's kind of tricky for this center to be solved, so you don't have to solve this, but if you want it solved, go watch how that center, because actually, I'm just going to show you. So you look at yellow. It's rotated that way. So this needs to be rotated like that. And see, now I think it's aligned. We'll see. No, hold on. Forgot to show you that algorithm. Oh, cat in camera. Hey, cat. So I'm gonna have to move if I want to do the tutorial. So, guys, like if my cat is cute. Feel free to dislike if you think she's because personally, I think she's cute. But you do, if you see you have an L shape, you want to have it in this orientation and do this. Do this algorithm. And now you have the pink cross. On normal 3x3, that'd be the yellow cross. But if it's on that weird color cube, that mini one I just showed you, it'll be orange cross. So, if you see you have this case, you just want to rotate it like that and do this. Jesus, my cat's being crazy. It's a soon. It's called a soon. And you want to do it till you get pink right here, pink right here, pink right here, pink right here. Then you do soon again. And then done. Let me just okay. So get a case where this ain't solved, as you can see. Get a case where it's headlights. You put that on the back, same thing with the soft side, and do this algorithm like on a normal 3x3, like I said. This is pretty much a tutorial on the 3x3. Then get a case where there's a soft side and on the edges. Put that on the back. If you don't have a soft side, you'll have to do this algorithm 3 times. But if you have the case I just showed you, you'll have to only do this algorithm 2 times. So you do this algorithm. So I'm going to show you RU prime, RU, RU, RU prime, U prime, R2. And then the cube is solved. And if at the end you see a center's not oriented in the correct position, don't worry. You just have to do this. That's my bad. The camera. And the cube is finally solved. So if you didn't get that, it's okay. Just go watch a tutorial on the 3x3. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Again, it probably wasn't. But if it actually was, make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.